RacerRed channel. Riding the CRF250R today. It's definitely a different beast. It is definitely a different beast. Definitely not used to it. The shifting is a lot shorter. The clutch is a lot more abrupt. Right when you let it out, it's either stop or go. You're full clutch or not. There's no finesse with that clutch. A lot less power, but a lot more rev. If you sit down on this bike, you're definitely feeling everything, but it's meant to absorb the big stuff. Bike is definitely a fire breather, and there's no match for 4 strokes over rev capability. That's for sure. The Husky has such a great clutch. This clutch just feels like garbage. It's hard to pull in. Freaking huge buck right there. Check that out. I don't know if you guys can see that. I could shoot. Holy crap, there's 2 huge bucks. Both of those bucks are huge. Oh, there's 3 bucks. 2 of the bucks are gigantic. I see a lot of animals when I'm out riding, but they don't really run from me. They don't see me as a threat, really. If they do run from me, it's generally just a slow kind of trot. That has way less gas in it than I remember. Guess I should probably head back. But yeah, this bike uses a lot more of the rev range because it has so much less horsepower than the Husky does that I'm able to use a lot more of it. And also this bike is just designed, this engine's designed to over rev a lot more, so I'm utilizing a lot more of the top end of it. It sounds like a beast, but in reality, the Husky is way more of a beast just that it doesn't sound like it. But I do believe I'm running out of fuel right now, so I better take it easy on the way back. The suspension setup is for racing, so I'm able to go pretty fast in an open environment and take a lot of big hits because the suspension's helping me absorb a lot of the impact. The stuff that you can't absorb with the bike, you absorb with your legs. Things were huge. I could have just whipped out my handgun and shot one. It's not often you get to ride right next to a bunch of huge deer like that. Those were 3 big old bucks. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you on the next ride. See ya.
His name is RacerRed. If he wasn't riding, he'd be in bed. He naps during the day. He rides his love in garage bays. Oh, he rides all night, full throttle all the time. Oh, he was born to ride. Red Racer, like, comment, and subscribe.